have not seen any woman taking so much care of their husband suffering from disability. He is so aggressive. His sickness only is such that it's an aggressive sickness. It will be very difficult to look after. Anga tinga bahut lagto. So she has gone abroad 10 years now, and she has been looking after her boys. She has educated them. They are studying professional course abroad, and she has been sending money towards the family to look after them, which they are looking after. This is a mental disability issue. It is not a family issue. They have not sold this property. They have not taken any insurance of it. A lot of negative comments came on various posts, which was not right. People should not comment on mental. Fala no, कोण कितले comment मारता नो. फला तुझ्या घरात जाले. काय दिसतले? The society has failed at large. Our system is not proper for person with mental disability. Nobody will sacrifice their entire life to look after somebody who cannot be looked after. हे पब्लिकला सांगू शकता. फाला तो तुम्ही त्यांच्या जाग्यार आसले. पुलिसीन तुका कॉल केले आनी तुका खबर आहा बाबा तुजो हजबंड मिसींग आहा. तुम्ही कितें करतले? वय म्हणटले काय ना म्हणटले? वय म्हणटले जाल्यार तुका क्रिमेशन काय बॅरियल करचें. ना म्हणटले म्हणटले पळय हेंच्यांनी बायलेन ताका सोडलें. So I would like to first explain on this point. See, the lady, the wife, I have not seen any woman taking so much care of their husband suffering from disability. What happened now? We got a call 1st of January saying that sir, आमचा हा problem. So we told them, madam, don't come to our office, do the paperwork online. And second day brought the gentleman to our doorstep. We admitted him. And she explained the situation, which was very, sad, which was very disturbing, which was very, बरें न्हू ते ट्राय करता ताका पळोवपाक. बट ही इज अ पर्सन सफरिंग फ्रॉम डिसेबिलिटीज, maybe 30-35 years. His registration number is very old. Now, how does a woman, look after this gentleman? She has been putting in the effort, but he is so aggressive. His sickness only is such that it's an aggressive sickness. So he is not going to take medicine. It will be very difficult to look after him, and in due course of time he will keep wandering. Anga tinga bahut lagto. So she has gone abroad 10 years now, and she has been looking after her boys. She has educated them. They are studying professional course abroad, and she has been sending money towards the family to look after them, which they are looking after. But because he is not taking medication, this is a mental disability issue. It is not a family issue. They have not sold his property. They have not taken any insurance of it. Lot of negative comments came on various posts, which was not right. People should not comment on mental disability. फाला नो, कोण कितले कॉमेंट मारता नो. फाला तुझ्या घरात जाले. काय दिसतले? ती बायल मनीस. तिने अबॅन्डन करूंक ना ताका. She has come 4 times in this year because of him from abroad. The society has failed at large. Our system is not proper for person with mental disability. I don't think if my wife was there, will she sacrifice? No, nobody will sacrifice their entire life to look after somebody who cannot be looked after. No, he got married only. He was taking psychiatric medicine. So how is she responsible? Still, she's putting effort. So whoever has commented negative issues should not comment like that. He's missing. It's a genuine miss. म्हणजे identity is miss. No, police also have not to be blamed. Family is not to be blamed. And so many people came for the funeral. It's not that they just buried him. So he's in our home. He is very weak. He will require at least 1 year to stabilize. He has to stay in a shelter home now for the rest of his life because he requires medicine. No? So my request to people on such issues which come, even the press which gives this thing. Okay, we understand police gave you the story, but negative comments on.
So when he was admitted?
Second
of
this January, and third the police have released the press, which you all got yesterday. No?
Okay.
Because she has to negate that certificate, which she has to do. So my request to the public, to the press is, let her finish the process and let her go back to her life. No, why she's not done a crime. Nobody has done a crime. It is easy to comment, but there is no crime involved. No, all the identification of that dead person and her husband matched, the cross matched or whatever matched. So suppose हांव कितें म्हणटा न्हू, हे पब्लिकला सांगू शकता. फाल्यां तो तुम्ही त्यांच्या जाग्यार आसले. पुलिसीन तुका कॉल केले आनी तुका खबर आहा बाबा तुजो हजबंड मिसींग आहा. तुम्ही कितें करतले? वय म्हणटले काय ना म्हणटले? वय म्हणटले जाल्यार तुका क्रिमेशन काय बॅरियल करचें. ना म्हणटले पळय हेंच्यांनी बायलेन ताका सोडला. हे जे बायले कडेन जालें न्हू ते आनी कोणें जावंक फावना. ते चूक जाली, सगळ्यांची मिस्टेक जाली. पूण जितले नेगेटीव कॉमेंट्स मारले न्हू, प्रॉपर्टी विकले, पुलिसाक कितें दिले, LICचे खाल्ले, इन्शुरन्स, ते विदाउट नोईंग न्हू.
तुमच्याकडे तुमच्या शेल्टरामध्ये 2 तारखे गेले.
हय.
ह्याच्या पहिले केन्नाच खंयच्या शेल्टर
ना तो नासलो न्हू. इज नॉट कंट्रोलेबल. खंय शेल्टर होम आहा तेका कंट्रोल करपाक? Only mental hospital. He was in the mental hospital for over 15 days.
बॉम्बे कसो तो
See, when you have this particular disability, you will keep roaming. So तो खंय गेलो तो. And he got stuck.
टू बॉम्बे
माझे घरांतले पोवन वयता बॉम्बे वयता मागीर 2 दिसां पोत्तून येता. ते मेंटल डिसेबिलिटी न्हू. तिंगा मार पडलो पोत्तो धांवन येतलो न्हू. भिकारी न्हू ते जाले भिकारी रस्ते. कळ्ळें तें.
बॉडी आयडेंटिफाय करपाक फॅमिली कोणाक
हांव तेंच सांगता न्हू. इतले लोक इंदिराक आसलो, फादर आसलो, सरपंच आसलो. सी
बट खंय तरी एक चूक जाली म्हणून आनी कोणाची तरी बॉडी हे केली न्हू आतां जस्टीस मेळूंक जाय
जस्टीस आतां कोणाक?
तेजी कोणाची तरी केन्ना तरी येयलो
ओके नाव गोईंग बॅक कितें जातलें? समबडी गॉट अ फ्युनरल. Nobody has claimed that body also. See, you all press people should go one day, no, to GMC morgue and check how many bodies are unclaimed per year. It is rising because of mental disability. See, the full picture, what I want to say, it is connected to mental disability.
ओके
We have to solve mental disability, not solve on this problem. We have to backtrack and see why are the people reaching the street? Why are these cases coming up? So 1 month back, there was a lady who committed suicide in the well and her body was found. Mental disability. So
So most of the cases are mental related.
everybody dying on the street is mental disability. 80%. Will you want to live on the street if you are normal? Will I want to live on the street? No. So we need to go to that problem. Mental disability is rising. It is 1:5, and we need to fix this problem. And press.
Right now, how is he stable right
Sir, he is very weak. He's about 35-40 kilos. He's got a wound on his head because he must have got hurt there. He is mentally unsound. The medicine will take time to penetrate his body. He will recover, but he cannot come out again. He has to stay in a shelter because his disability is complicated. His sickness is complicated.
The family is ready to keep in shelter.
Yeah, their family, wife has admitted him on a paper, on an affidavit. Sons have sent the email saying, please look after my father. And what can we do? But they will not be able to look after him back home, no? Whoever cousins are there, they have even kept a caregiver to look after him. But he's not listening. So this mental disability, can happen to anybody, any family, any member, but don't pass negative comments on families then you don't know. See, press has said something, media has said something, but property khalla, teka सोडला, तर हे म्हणपाचें न्हू. It's very, I was very upset. See, माझे कोण लागोना ते. But clarity should be given by us because we are looking after him. We are aware of many facts which we cannot put all the facts out because it does not concern anybody. Main thing, the wife has not abandoned him. The wife has been caring for him, but she also is a woman. How long she's going to live her life? And she's got 2 boys. In Goa, what they would have done? They would have hammered them also because he's aggressive by nature, no?
Donald, there is a need here because there are a lot of people on the streets, as you said, they are linked to mental disabilities. Is there any social justice department or anything that is taking care of these needs?
So, we had a press conference few days ago in the social welfare director's office. Things have started to move where rehabilitation is concerned towards the persons with disability. It's a big problem and we have started somewhere. Everywhere we have to start. Today the director of social welfare is coming with his car to the mental hospital to pick up a homeless person who is being discharged from the mental hospital and going to our shelter home. So that much support when you are getting from a director, it's a start. Nobody has done this before. You will not find any shelter homes looking after homeless people like us on this level at 240 beds going to 500 beds. See, mental hospital is building 200 beds more. Why? He is not stupid to build, na? Because there is going to be demand. We also have to increase, na? Now government may get into a mode, government will get into a mode of providing this facility. To your question what you asked, I cannot give you.
Is there a hint of what is in plan for this?
Only shelter homes. You require only shelter homes. There is no other solution because treating them there and putting them out is going to go back to the street. See, it is beginning to fall in place. Very fact the social welfare director is showing some promise, showing some interest, showing some motivation. We have to be appreciative, no? We cannot. सगळ्यात आम्ही वांगडाच कोहेच घेतले.
Thank you.